Have you ever woken up from a dream and wondered, why did my brain show me that? Every night as we sleep, our minds create entire worlds filled with characters, emotions, and strange events. But why do we dream at all? Are dreams just random images, or do they have a purpose? In this video, let's unlock the fascinating science behind dreams and find out what actually happens in our brain when we sleep. When we go to sleep, our body doesn't just shut down. Instead, it goes through several stages of sleep that repeat in cycles throughout the night. The two main types of sleep are non-REM sleep and REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. This is the stage where our eyes move quickly under our eyelids, our breathing becomes irregular, and our brain activity looks almost like we're awake. It's also during REM sleep that most of our vivid, story-like dreams happen. In non-REM sleep, dreams still occur, but they're usually shorter and less dramatic. Inside the brain during REM sleep, something incredible is happening. The parts of the brain responsible for processing emotions, like the amygdala, become more active. At the same time, the prefrontal cortex, the area involved in logic and decision-making, becomes less active. This mix of high emotional activity and low logical control explains why our dreams can feel intense and emotional, but also weird and illogical. Our muscles also become temporarily paralyzed in REM sleep, which keeps us from acting out our dreams. So, why do we dream? Scientists have been trying to answer this question for decades, and there are several major theories. One of the earliest ideas is called the activation synthesis hypothesis. It suggests that during REM sleep, the brainstem sends random signals to the cortex. Our brain then tries to make sense of these signals by weaving them into a story, what we experience as a dream. This explains why dreams can sometimes be random and bizarre. Another popular theory is that dreams help us process and store memories. During sleep, especially REM sleep, our brain replays the day's experiences and strengthens important memories. Studies have even shown that people who dream about a new skill they're learning often perform better on it later. This suggests that dreaming might play a role in learning and problem solving. Dreams may also help us process emotions. This is known as the emotional regulation theory. In this view, dreams give us a safe space to work through stressful or emotional events. That's why many of our dreams are linked to our fears, worries, or desires. Some scientists also propose the threat simulation theory, the idea that dreams let us practice responding to dangerous situations so we're better prepared in real life. There's also a fascinating idea from computer science. Just like a computer program can overfit data, our brains can get stuck on patterns from daily life. According to this theory, dreams act as a kind of mental data augmentation, introducing weird or random variations to our experiences. This might help our brain stay flexible and creative. No matter which theory you prefer, most researchers agree on one thing: dreams aren't meaningless. They reflect how our brains process memories, emotions, and learning, but the content of our dreams, why we dream about a specific person or place, is still largely a mystery. Dream science is tricky because dreams are so personal and easy to forget. We usually only remember dreams if we wake up during them or soon after. Modern neuroscience is starting to give us amazing tools to study dreams. Scientists have managed to communicate with people while they're dreaming lucidly, asking questions and getting answers in real time. Others have used brain scans and artificial intelligence to decode what someone might be dreaming about. This research is helping us understand not just dreams, but consciousness itself. Understanding dreams also has important implications for mental health. For example, people with PTSD often have recurring nightmares, and disrupted REM sleep is linked to depression and anxiety. By studying dreams more deeply, scientists hope to find new ways to improve mental health and even enhance memory and learning. So, the next time you wake up from a vivid dream, remember, Your brain wasn't just entertaining you, it was working hard, processing memories, regulating emotions, and maybe even rehearsing for the future. Dreams are one of the last great frontiers inside our own minds, and every night we get a free trip there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science facts and discoveries. See you in the next video.